Hey guys, if you are struggling with slide 3 of the homework this week, I'm going to do some of the problems right now. So number 1 says 7 times x plus 9 equals 49. The first thing I would do is use the distributive property to get 7 times x, which is 7x, and then 7 times 9 is 63. And always bring down the rest of it, bring down your equal sign, and bring down your 49. And I almost forgot to draw my line down the center. Oops, line went a little crazy there. Okay, so now that we have, oh, what's going on with my line? Hilarious. Okay, now that we have a positive 63, now we're going to subtract 63 because the opposite of a positive 63 is a negative 63. That creates a zero pair here, and then we'll get 7x equals negative 14 because 49 minus 63 is 14. And then they are dividing by 7, so I'm sorry, they are multiplying by 7, so I'm going to divide by 7. And x equals negative 2 is my answer because a negative divided by a positive is a negative. All right, so that was number 1. And here, let me move my face here a little bit. All right, for number 2, at this point when you don't have any distributive property, you have no like terms to combine on the same side of the equation, you are going to take the smaller amount of x's and deal with that, do the inverse of that. So the smaller amount is 2x, so I'm going to subtract 2x from both sides. The reason I'm subtracting is because the 2x is positive and I want to get rid of it. I want to create a zero pair right here. So I'm going to subtract on both sides from both sides. So now after my zero pair is gone, I have 5 equals 10x minus 2x is 8x, 8x minus 11, and then I want to get my x's on one side, they're already over here, and I want to get all the numbers without x on the other side. So I'm going to take this negative 11 and I'm going to add 11 to both sides, and 5 plus 11 is 16, so I get 16 equals 8x, and they are multiplying by 8, therefore I am going to divide by 8, and 16 divided by 8 is positive 2. So 2 equals x. That is number 2. X equals 2.